Hi guys, it's me again, Kathy. For today, we're going to have some interactive activities. I actually watched this to a content creator. Really, I followed her because she is so good in English. Her articulation and pronunciation and accent is so good. So actually, I I watched her video for me to inspire and hoping that I can be like her. Yeah, her name was Rika. Yeah, she is a pure Filipina from Cebu, I guess, Cebuana. But her accent is so almost perfect for me. It's perfect. The way he talks, the way he expresses herself is so very natural. When you close your eyes, you may think that someone is talking native English speaker. You know, because she expresses, I mean, she talks, she talks, and she speaks like an American. I don't know what, for me, I guess that is my observation on how she speaks. Well, again, so come back to my activity for the day. I'm going to practice my speaking English with this interactive activity, word wall. So they have some list of activities here. Yeah, like that. Match up, quiz, flashcards, speaking cards, group sort, complete the sentence, spin the wheel, and jumbo, find the match. Anagram and matching parts, and open the box. So for today, I will choose spin the wheel. Let's check it. Yeah, there are variety of activities here to choose from. So I prefer this one, the icebreaker questions. Let's check it out. Now let's click start. Yeah. Okay, let's start our interactive activity for the day, the icebreaker question. So I'm going to click this, spin it, and the question will be, the zombie apocalypse is coming. Who are the 3 people you want on your team? Well, if the zombie apocalypse is coming, I want to be part of my team. Of course, first, my husband and my son, and the other one, I guess, if I have the chance to choose, I want a police officer, a soldier, or maybe, because I believe that if I have people like them in my team, my family will be protected against the zombies. Because they are skilled, they are trained, and they are strong people. That's it. So, another icebreaker question. So, I'm going to click the resume and spin it again. What did you eat for breakfast? Well, it's a very common question. So, I guess I ate breakfast. I ate egg and fried rice for my breakfast this morning. Yeah, that's it. And a coffee, of course. My days will never be completed without hot coffee in the morning. Again, let's resume and spin the wheel again. The question is, what is your favorite item you bought this year? The favorite item that I have bought this year, I guess, is my stylus pen. Yeah, because I love to draw. So digitally, I can draw using my stylus pen everywhere. I just bring my phone with me, and that's it. I can draw, and I feel relaxed when I'm doing something or drawing something. And that's it. So another icebreaker question. Resume and spin it again. Well, this activity is fun because random questions and you will going to answer it directly. The question would be, if you had to eat one meal every day for the rest of your life, what would it be? Okay, if this question is asking about breakfast, lunch, and dinner, I choose lunch. Yeah, same, lunch is between 2 meals in a day. Yeah, breakfast, then lunch, and dinner. So if I choose lunch, I will be full enough and be prepared enough. What are I will going to use? If I am eat lunch in a day, I guess I am ready and I have energy to face the whole day. Yeah, because since it's between breakfast and lunch, so if I eat between the 2 meals in a day, I am ready to face any activity. I have the energy to do things for the day. That's it. Another one. Let's resume and spin again the wheel. And the question is, if you could live in any country, where would you live? That's if I could live in any country, I want to live in Japan. Why? Because I love Japan's culture, their food, and everything about Japan. Since I love animation, yeah, I love and I love everything about Japanese or in Japan. Yeah. So if I could live in one country, if I had a chance, I love and I want to go to and live in Japan. Another question. Resume. Let's spin it. Again, I already done with this question. No, I don't like that. Sleeping. Are you an early bird or night owl? Well, as a mom, I should be an early bird. Yeah, because if I woke up earlier in the morning, I can start my chores early. So I can finish early too. Am I right? So that's it. I'm a bird. I am an early bird. Oh, last question. I'm already done with this. Top 5 most used mobile app. The top 5 most used mobile app, of course, number 1 is Google. Second one, I guess, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. That's, I guess that's the top 5 most used mobile. So that's it for the day, and I find this activity so fun. Yeah, because from the word itself, icebreaker questions, or you're not expecting some random question, and you will answer it directly, and it based on your experience. Yeah, so that's it, and bye for now. Bye.